Drop of sound, a mirrored tear. The rhythm hums, but you're not near. The sky collapses into you, and I dissolve inside of you. No heartbeat left to mark the time, just water breathing into rhyme. You whisper soft, the words are true. I fade but still remember you. Echoing blue, calling from below. Your voice is slow, it pulls, it flows. I can't escape, I don't want to. I'm sinking softly back to you. Beneath the calm, the silence breaks. The ocean bends, the body shakes. Your echo curls around my veins, and every breath repeats your name. Echoing blue, a sound so near. I feel it whisper in my ear. No fear, no light, no view, just endless water.